Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Remember, Caspa, Caspa, Caspa. As Caspa continues to grow, we're getting more bigger influencers talking about Caspa. And as it starts to take off, they're giving us more details about how good a cryptocurrency application product development product this is. So this is Zach Humphries. So let's click to this real quick and I'll be back to go over the technical Tuesdays.
How many cryptos are setting their all-time high in this type of market? Pretty wild, right? And we're talking about cryptos that haven't just come out last week. We're talking about a crypto that has been around that I have admittedly completely missed on. And now I am maybe a little late to the party, but it's time to talk about Caspa. It's time to talk about Cas because this came up. I was on a Twitter space not too long ago, or an X space, whatever you want to call it. And this was a couple days ago. Somebody brought up Caspa, and it really sparked my interest. And I had to make this video because I'm always trying to learn as much as I can and then relay some of that information back out to all of you. And Caspa is really interesting. Now, it is ranked number 44 over on CoinMarketCap. Excuse me, well, on CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap, really not recognizing it. I don't know why. But check this out, guys. It's sitting at about 4.5 cents, 5 cents, somewhere in between there right now. It is a $1 billion market cap. And Caspa, as you can see here, has just absolutely exploded since late last year. Okay. It launched last year. It has been around for a little bit. It's on Gate.io. It's on some top exchanges, Bybit, BitGet. We're going to talk about what it is and what it does. But can we just sit here and look at this? I mean, this is insane what this has done in this type of market. Volume is at an all-time high. I will tell you this. It's a proof of work cryptocurrency. And a lot of those started to go out of style when Ethereum made their move to proof of stake and it's better on the environment. We forgot about these proof of work protocols. Bitcoin's out there, Dogecoin's out there, but now we've got to talk about Caspa. And Caspa could be set to really take this entire space by storm. And it's very, very unique. So it is a proof of work crypto which implements the GhostDAG protocol. So what is that? Well, unlike traditional blockchains, GhostDAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. The Caspa blockchain is actually blockDAG, not blockchain. This generalization of Nakamoto Consensus allows for secure operation while maintaining very high block rates. So it's kind of a play on Bitcoin. Its implementation includes a lot of cool features such as reachability to query the DAG's topology, block data pruning, SPV proofs, and later subnetwork support, which will make future implementation of layer 2 solutions much, much easier. So, how many Caspa coins are in circulation? Well, it's around 8.5 billion right now, and the circulating supply is right around 20 million, which is about 72%. Now, what's interesting here is Caspa has done all of this growing in a bear market, and there's a reason for that. It's because people are mining Caspa like crazy, and they're not selling their Caspa. They're earning massive amounts of Caspa by mining this. Think of Bitcoin in the early days where people were mining it, just at home on their household computer. Now it's not like that because Bitcoin mining is much more of a huge operation where big corporations have taken control of it. But with Caspa, we're still kind of in those phases where the little man can win. And I talked to somebody who's absolutely crushing it by mining Caspa, making tons of passive income a day. And it really, really did spark my interest. I mean, Caspa right here over on Twitter, still pretty underground, only 82,000 followers. They say here Caspa's based on the GhostDAG protocol, a generalization of Bitcoin consensus. It's aiming to be the fastest and purest proof of work consensus engine. So again, it's a play at Bitcoin, very similar in the way that it's set up, but it's GhostDAG protocol. and it's not necessarily a blockchain. Now, it says here, if we scroll on down, what's the market sentiment of Caspa today? It's hard to have a positive market sentiment about anything. 87% of users are feeling good about Caspa right now. It's really interesting to watch how this has played out. Look at this chart. I mean, think about this. This is from September 2022 that Mexi started charting it and tracking it. This is their chart. Absolutely insane. So Caspa is one that I'm going to continue to dive into. I'll continue to look at more and more at this, but I wanted to just kind of put this initial video out for you guys to kind of keep it on your radar. Use this as your jumping off point to start your own research and look into this particular project, because something is brewing here with Caspa as it's setting all-time highs in the middle of this bear market. It has been a huge silver lining crypto that has withstood this terrible bear market and actually launched right in the middle of it. So check it out. Links down below. I'll leave some links there to Caspa. And by the way, I might start trading Caspa too, because the volatility looks really solid. Over here on TradingView, you could see this momentum up indicator. This is my XT algo. Last time this thing flashed, look at this. Got a nice 117% return. So momentum up just flashed again on Caspa. We're going to keep a very close eye on that. We might be making a play here sooner rather than later. If you want access to these momentum up, momentum down indicators, knowing when to get in and when to get out, links down below. All things XT Algo, you'll find them in the description. Big discount code right now as well. But if you're watching this, you're part of the Caspa army. Let me know what you're thinking about this. What am I missing? What do I need to talk about more or focus on? Let me know, because I'm new to this. I'm still trying to break it down, but I wanted to put this out to my audience because something big is happening here with Caspa.
So there you have it. Another influencer finally picking up on Caspa. And as we've been talking about, Caspa has a lot of big things coming down the pipeline. And currently, we're working to see what the next big trend is. And if you can see here, the RSI indicator is still moving up. And once the RSI gets over 80, like it did here in August and in July, right? Once it hits to the 80, we get a green candle. And it's been going up here, and we've been seeing green candles. This is the day chart. And once it hits again over 70, which it looks like it's coming up, there's going to be another green candle push. So let me know what you think about that in the comments. And let's look at the 4-hour chart and see in 4-hour chart, right? It's above 70, and we're kind of going back down to 56, but we'll probably pull back up to the 60, 70 range. And if you can see here, every movement up is always followed by green candles, or always with the green candle. So I think there will be another indicator before it takes off. So Caspa's on the verge of another big run. And somebody mentioned in my videos, one of my videos said there would be a lot of movement in September, and of which it actually came true, which is not saying that I'm predicting the future, but that was a pretty good prediction. So you can see here, the MACD crossed, we had volume, and the price went up. The MACD crossed, a lot of volume was sold off, and the price went down again. And if you look here, the MACD crossed, and we're starting to build volume. And it looks like it's going to cross again pretty soon, within the next couple hours. And the red indicator is bringing us down to 0.047, and we could take back off to the 0.057. So we're looking to break this next resistance at 0.0508, and from there we're off to the races. But this is a technical Tuesday video, so I'm just going through a lot of the analysis here, and Caspa is gearing up for a massive breakout. right? So if it pushes through this resistance of 0.050, I think things are going to take off as it did in June 2023 and August 2023. And this is August. Let's see, where's August at? This is August. September. I mean, it's okay. Sorry, it's 4 hour. Let's go to the day. And so this is the June takeoff. And this is July. And this must be, yeah, this is the August push. And if you can see here, the price difference in August. So let's go through the numbers and see how it's looking today. And then let me know what you think in the comments. And remember, Caspa. Look at the Casp dashboard. Hash rate is 22 petahash. Percent mined is 71.43. Next reduction 17 days to 165. TPS is 4.6 transactions per second, and BPS is 0.8, which is blocks per second. The current price is 0.0486. 24-hour volume is 16 million. Market cap is 1 billion. And market cap ranking is 206. But we generally don't go by the market cap for coin market cap. And Crypto Bubbles has it at 2% up today, 1% in the last hour, 16% in the last week's up. Last month it's up 20.8%. And for the year it's up 9.21%. And it was in the thousands, and now it looks like it's trending back up to that 1,000 mark. And Live Coin Watch says it's up 1.68% in the last hour, 1.22% in the last 24 hours, 14.62 in the last 7 days, 18.37 in the last 30 days, 109.9% in the last 90 days, and 1,096 in the last year. Current market cap is 1.01 billion. Trading volume is 15.4 million. Volume versus cap is 1.53%, and the all-time high is 0.051. So circulating supply is 20.7 billion. Total supply is 20.7 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. Total market cap is 1 billion. 24-hour change is 6.86%. 24-hour low is 0.0470. And the 24-hour high is 0.050. So if we look at CoinGecko, which is our best ranking, it has us at 44 for market cap. Price is 0.0489. It's up 1.9%. Bitcoin's up 6.6%. Market cap is 1 billion. Circle supply is 20.7 billion. Total supply is 20.7 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 15 million. And fully diluted valuation is 1.4 billion. So if you notice, this fully diluted valuation is going up slightly. And CoinGecko is the only one that gives us the 7-day high and low. So 7-day low is 0.0395. High is 0.0502. And the trading volume is 15.3 million. So if we look at the coin market cap price, if it comes up for us, so something's going on with coin market cap. So we'll look at the addresses while we're waiting for this coin market cap to come up. But remember, Caspa. It's finally getting on a slight bull run. So I think we're going to get back to the all-time high before the end of September. So if you see here, we're 286,000 and we were down to 270, 260. So that means the prices, people are buying in. Shrimp is up 396 in the last 24 hours. Crab is up 185. Octopus is up 95. Fish is up 92. Dolphins up 44. Sharks up 1. And we actually added 2 whales, which is interesting. So I don't think that coin market cap is going to come up. So we'll check back with that a little later. And let me know if you guys have any new news or anything to research. But for Technical Tuesdays, this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Remember, Caspa, Caspa, Caspa. And let's get back to the money, guys.